Welcome back to part 3. Just a quick recap. We're just off heading to camp, where we camped the night there and had a counter meal. It was pretty good. Next day we headed off early down to Tulane, where we're camping. Did a bit of detecting on the way down, but when we were there, we just had a fire, relaxed, couple of beverages, and chilled out. It was really nice. Just didn't do a great deal of recording. Anyway, I hope you enjoy the episode. This is the second time I've put this up, so I made a few mistakes, but good for a laugh. I got a few laughs watching this before I put it on here and thought, yeah, just post it anyway. No one's perfect. Hopefully you get a bit of a laugh too. Well, we just got to camp way earlier than last night, so that's pretty awesome. And we're camping opposite some silos, unpainted ones apart from the graffiti, thank Christ, because those painted silos are so overrated. I just got finished setting up, same as last night. I'll have a quick look. Same setup as last night. Got the light over here for us. A peppercorn tree, a couple of churches up on the hill. Dave's there, all set up. There's a couple of other campers over there. They shouldn't annoy us. Train line. It'd be pretty cool if a train goes past. It'll be loud. But yeah, nice sunset. Pity the missus is not here with me. Anyway, looks good. Morning, it's a bit cool here this morning. Just show you a bit of the town and where we're camped. There we are over there. I'll just zoom out a little. It's free camping here, Nandalay. Three-cornered jacks are a menace. It's stuck everywhere in your feet. It's free camping, as I said. There's a few people here. There's a toilet block just below the sun. There's a pub there, Mandalay pub. It's owned by the community. They bought it off the previous owner because it was going to close, and the meals were pretty good. So we're going to head across to Swan Hill and then head south and camp a bit closer to home rather than 5 hours. But yeah, highly recommend Nandalay as somewhere to free camp. So it's a nice place, except for the burrs or the three-cornered jacks. Anyway, continue packing up. Here comes the motorbike. Time to collect some firewood before heading into camp. We had a heap for one night. It was great. Time to get the fire cranking and cook up the feed for tonight. A couple of mates are coming as well. They're coming up for a night on their way to Echuca. So we'll cook up a feast. Rightio, last night of camping. Found 3 coins today, drove a lot, couldn't find a great deal of places to detect. Found 2 silvers and a penny. Out here at Tuleen, free camping again, with my mate Dave again. Just got the fire going. I'm going to cook up a few steaks on the grill we got here later. So yeah, it's a pretty good free camping place. As I said, Tuleen, the pub's over there. Went over there and had a beverage before and got chatting with them, and they've given us a bit of permission to go somewhere and have a detect tonight, which is very cool. Even if we weren't allowed to, we'd stay here. There's also a toilet block there, and there's a bus there, but that's been there since we got here. So it's a nice free camping area. Toilets, got the fire going, feed, paddock behind us. Wind's blowing pretty hard, as you can see by the fire, but yep, good old free camps. You can't beat them, especially when there's a toilet block nearby. Got the steaks on. Bought IGA because Bought Butchers was closed. Grill them up for a while. Got to get them nice and well done. Only way to eat steak. So we'll keep an eye on them. Dinner's on and it's a meat fest with the boys again. Chops, sausages, Scotch fillets, all on the fire we got going. Dave's got his porterhouse, is it, Dave? Yeah. Porterhouse cooking on the little thing with these coals underneath. It's looking good. Well, the next morning came around quick enough and it was time to head home, which pretty much brings us to the end of this 3-part series. Thanks a heap for watching, and if you could subscribe and maybe tell your friends to watch and maybe subscribe as well, that'd be cool. It's just another short video at the end of this, and showing you all the coins and things we found and what year. Quick video of the finds from the weekend. Enjoy. Some pennies, 1927, 1956, 1920 something. I can't read it. It's too corroded. 1925 and 1946 halfpenny. Got 5 threepences, which are the only silvers, 1942, 43 and 44, 1927 and 1963. Got plenty of 2s and 1 cent coins, probably more than normal, but anyway, that is what it is. 2 and a $1 coin, an old 50-cent coin. Got the opening of first federal parliament medallion. That was 1901. It was given to all the school kids back in the day in 1901. So that's a pretty cool find. I've got some other pictures of that. An old silver button and just some of the moderns I found in the park at Bought. So yeah, not too bad. Too bad. A few more silvers would have been good, but at least we got something. Cheers.